Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Wednesday. It's hump day. Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. I'm going to do daily message from Spirit today for you guys. Yeah. A lot of stuff going on. Yeah, at least, I can tell you this in my personal life. Unfortunately, we're going through another layoff in my job, which really sucks for me. Believe it or not, I do care about the people who work under me. And it killed me the first time we did it, and doing it again. So it's just like, feels like you make 2 steps forward, 1 step back, that kind of thing. And it's just really heartbreaking what's happening here. But you just gotta stay positive, right? You can't control the situation. The only thing you can control is yourself. And I have to keep reminding myself that. And I have a friend who constantly reminds me of that too. He likes to use his words against me. Or use my words. Not against me, but yeah. Remember what you say. So yeah, I need to take my own advice. I'm right there with you guys, okay? So first card out, patience. Yep. Patience. And you manifest your own reality. Okay. And I feel like right now, this has been happening for pretty much this entire year. I feel like this year is just the closing of cycles. Like this year, 2020, is wrapping up not just like karmic cycles, but I just feel like cycles in general. Like things are ending. Things are changing. This is a hugely transformative year. I said that at the beginning of this year. People were like, 2020 is going to be a great year. It's like, well, I'm not sure about great, but it is going to be transformative. And that's exactly what's happening right now. How much more transformative can you get? Look at all that's happened this year. Just take a look. Right? But I think what's happening here is needed, even though it sucks. And there are a lot of people who have unfortunately suffered because of all of this. And I'm right there with you guys. I've gone through my own stuff. Everybody has. Okay. But it's here to change us. There's something within us that needs to change. And a lot of us still, it has to do with codependencies. It has, really highlighted, I think, to a lot of people just how codependent we are on things, okay? And it's forcing us to look at ourselves, okay? So the ending of codependent cycles, some of you, this is financial, this is a person, this is, emotional codependency, what have you, but you've been giving away your power for so long here, right? And so it's like, basically highlighting, if you will, the games that you've been playing with yourself here, the games you've been playing with your journey, how you've been holding yourself back from creating your new beginning by what? Self-sabotage? Okay? So right now, the energy appears to be the recognition of self-sabotage. Okay? But how do you break out of that? Do you continue to beat yourself up for sabotaging yourself? No. No. You rise above that. You get out of that energy. Okay? Okay? Win-win outcome. Okay? Remember that. Universe is on your side. You can't go wrong. Okay? The communication is key. Some of you need to communicate. Some of you need to communicate with people around you. Some of you need to communicate with yourself. Some of you, you've been telling yourself lies, or you haven't been acknowledging something to yourself. Okay, there's some self-loathing in there, some forgiveness that needs to happen, okay? But you got to step out of your comfort zone to do that. Some of you do. Some of you, there's a situation here that you've got to get out of. And you know you've got to get out of, because it keeps defeating you over and over and over again. But not only that, you're kind of defeating yourself in this situation because you have sacrificed yourself to make others happy. Boom. So what does that do? Keeps you in defeat. Okay? All right, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.